Good evening and welcome to Bizworld. I'm Adrian Seet. Bank Negara is able to maintain the overnight policy rate OPR at 2.75% if Malaysian inflation rate remains low months ahead. Economy Minister Rafizi said theoretically Bank Negara will increase the OPR in order to tackle the inflation to limit the demand.
That's why in order for us to have the best of both worlds, iaitu kita kekalkan OPR pada 2.75% kalau keputusan Bank Negara begitu, dan untuk masa akan datang, kalau contohnya pada OPR 2.75% itu, inflasi kekal mereda dalam Januari, dalam Februari, itu akan menunjukkan bahawa OPR boleh kekal pada 2.75% untuk kita meredakan inflasi.
As such, he encourages consumers to evaluate prices via the DOSIM platform, especially food and drinks, which the biggest cause of inflation. The data would help users make more accurate choices, making demand more elastic while controlling price increases. Recently, Malaysian inflation rate down to 3.8% in December compared to 4% the previous month. CGS-CIMB Securities Sindram Berhad expects the Consumer Price Index CPI to grow on a softer note of 3% year-on-year in 2023 amid the continuation of price control measures. The firm said headline inflation showed signs of moderation due to the diminishing low base effect and falling commodity prices. The electricity subsidy revision early this month for non-domestic and non-small medium enterprise users might lead to some increase in headline inflation. However, the impact would be minimal given its limited contribution to the CPI basket. Meanwhile, Public Investment Bank expects inflationary pressure would remain elevated in the near term, but growth rate might trend lower in the first quarter this year. The chicken supply and price in Selangor is expected to be more stable as the production ables to increase from 3 million to 14.8 million chickens annually by 2025. This via cooperation between Perbadanan Kemajuan Pertanian Selangor, PKPS, and one of the world's largest food conglomerate, CP Group. The Memorandum of Understanding is to develop breeder chicken, hatchery and egg production farms in Selangor. Through this MOU, PKPS Group CEO Muhammad Khairil Muhammad Razi said the company will identify suitable locations and develop infrastructure, while CP will provide technical expertise. The project is expected to involve 50 million ringgit for the first phase. Currently, the company operates chicken farms in Kuala Selangor and Sabak Bernam with a production capacity of 3 million chickens a year.
Electric vehicles, the future of automotive industry. Their demand, what's the trend like? Are electric vehicles better for the economy? What is the future scope of electric vehicles? What are the business opportunities in the electric vehicle sector? Join me, Muhammad Ahmad Hamdan, for these and more on Money Matters this Saturday at 5 p.m. only on TV3.
Affin Hwang Investment Bank targets to issue 96 structured warrants this year, with an average of 8 issuances on a monthly basis. Its Equity Derivatives Associate Director Lim Chin An said the focus will be on the aviation and tourism sectors as China relaxes its COVID policies.
Alternatively, we will also be looking at economic developments as a whole, how interest rates will affect banks and the financial sectors and all that. So we see some interest in those areas as well. So it's very fluid.
He was speaking during the investment bank's inaugural structured warrants listing ceremony. Last year, more than 24,000 retail investors traded structured warrants with a total trade value of 13.83 billion ringgit, while 1,447 new structured warrant listings were recorded last year, close to an all-time high of 1,452 listings in 2021. And that's all the time we have for Bizworld. I'm Adrian Seet. Thank you for investing your time with us and keep tuning in to TV3.